Tonight's our 8th annual STEAM Fair here at Penn State Behrend, and it's an event that's open to the public. We have almost 80 tables of companies and groups on campus that are all here to share what STEAM means to them. So it's kind of like a career fair for kids. We want to get kids excited about what they can do with different types of majors or jobs, or what can they do in the future, right? So it's a way for them to meet people that are in these fields, to see what they're doing, and to kind of get them an idea of how can I do that someday. You may not know what an engineer does or how many different kinds of engineers there are, but if you meet a bunch of people from different companies that tell you I'm an engineer and I get to design this or I get to design that, or you're going to learn about a lot of different things that way and then get you excited about being an engineer someday.